Conclusion. Well, we've reached the pinnacle of our beginner's guide on the TLC diet, and I want to congratulate you for making it this far. In this final part, we will be summarizing the main points we have covered so far, and hopefully put to ease any questions or doubts you may have. Tips to start today. At first, it's not going to be easy. No diet is easy regardless of who you are. Above all else, however, the major thing to consider is sources of fat in your diet and monitoring saturated fat levels to lower your cholesterol. While this seems difficult, after about a week or so, you'll start to pick up on the routine, and before you know it, the TLC diet will naturally become a part of your lifestyle. Here's a little bit of advice for you. Put some time and effort into making your meals. You may even want to enroll in a nice yoga class. There may be one going on right now in your area. If you cannot find a yoga class, you can find many yoga videos online, which will allow you to practice yoga in the comfort of your own home. Also, it may help if you have a nice support system going on. The more friends you have that will take part in this diet with you, the better off you're going to be. In the end, don't let anything get in your way, and remember the benefits of the TLC diet. You can also reward yourself. Rewarding yourself will give you something to look forward to. Just don't reward yourself with food. Go for a new shirt or something along those lines. Well, that's it. You've reached the end. Wish you all the best in your journey to reduce your cholesterol levels by following the TLC diet. Quote, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." End quote. Hippocrates. Thanks for listening.